Hey guys, and welcome to this little vlog. So I just decided I might as well vlog this just for me to look back on and just for some of you guys to see. But today I am starting to paint our kitchen cabinets. So I wanted to update my kitchen, but I didn't want to pay for all new cabinets and have to go through all that because this is our first home. So we do want to upgrade it a little bit without dropping thousands of dollars all at once. So I decided just to go ahead and paint them. I did this with my bathroom cabinets just as a little tester since it was way smaller of a project than this one will be. So I'll insert a picture here of how it turned out. But they were the same kind of material, this oak kind of wood, I guess. I've probably watched 47 videos on YouTube of how to paint cabinets, and I've read all the Pinterest articles. So yeah, so let me show you guys some of the stuff I'm going to be using. Okay, so I think I'm mainly going to be focusing on more of this side today because like I said, I want to take my time. So this is just some of the stuff. I have my painter's tape. This is an old paint thing. I probably should have gotten a new one, but it's fine. Old paint roller. I bought new ones I'm going to switch out. I read that foam rollers are the best for kitchen cabinets, so we're going to try because I've tried a bunch of different kinds of rollers for my other cabinets and they just never looked as good as I wanted it to, so I'm hoping foam will be the best. I have a little paintbrush just to get in some of the cracks and crevices, caulk to fill in any of the little gaps, tools to take hinges off, and then this stuff. This is what I got to fill in the wood grain, so it's going to be super smooth. So yeah, you guys ready to see Mom paint the kitchen? I'm just going to take you guys along with me, and we're going to start by taping everything off, taking all the cabinet doors off and labeling them, and we'll just go from there and see how it turns out. Okay, so this is what it looks like before. So there's still stuff on my counters I gotta clean off, but they're not bad, they're just not really my style. I like the more modern look, but yeah. So we just have the regular oak, kind of lighter colored wood. So the color I picked is called Swiss Coffee by Valspar. I'll show you a clip of all that. But yeah, so here's a good solid look before. Okay, so the next step is to really clean everything. You want to get everything nice and clean so you're not painting over old stains or old grease and grime from a kitchen because it gets really nasty. So I like to use any kind of TSP solution, but I go in with this liquid sander and it seems to get literally everything off, and this big thing will probably do 4 of these kitchens. It just really gets all the stuff off. So I still go in with a fine grit sander, but using the liquid sander first really helps me because there's some old stains over here, I don't know if you guys can see. Old paint. I don't know, this is here when we moved in, but I will show you guys. It will probably take that off because I've tried everything to take it off, and that liquid sander will take off any hard stains. So give that a try if you have something you want to take stains off of. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna set you all up where you can watch and speed it up and put it to music so you won't be bored out of your mind. But here we go. Wish me luck. I hope this turns out well. guys, so it's the next day. I got a lot done yesterday, but I didn't vlog too much of it because it was just gonna be boring. It was like the same kind of stuff. But I will show you the progress that I made. Today's Sunday, so I'm just gonna keep working and hopefully I can be done by like Tuesday or Wednesday, but I'll show you guys the progress I've made so far. And I know my kitchen is a disaster right now, so it's all gonna come together in the end. I just have to live in a little bit of a mess and chaotic situation for a few days, but yeah, so here is a little update on what things are looking like. So I completely finished this side. I just had to peel off the tape and put the little electrical outlet back on, which I did paint white so it'll blend in and like not clash too much. I'm finishing this side right now, and then I've got all this done. So it's looking pretty good. I'm just ready to get it done. I know everything looks crazy, but I'm about to do this right now and give you guys an update in a little bit when I make some more progress. Okay, so many hours later, I finally have this piece done. It's still a wreck in here. I have all of this done. I still have to clean up the floor. I kind of got some paint down there. And then all this done, and that side is done as well. So I just finished painting the pieces that go on the drawers, so I'm probably gonna wait till those are completely dry and then put them back in, and pretty much this area will be done. I just have to finish the doors that are over there, so yeah. And it's pouring down rain right now, so yeah, there's the thunder. But yeah, so it's been a busy day, but I've gotten a lot done and I'm ready to have my kitchen kind of back in order. That's a block off for the dogs because he likes to come in here and sniff and put his nose in the paint. So I'm still gonna work a little bit more tonight and then I'll pick it back up in the morning. Hey guys, so it's a few days later. I don't think I vlogged yesterday. My mom is over here helping me, so we got a little bit done. Yeah, so this is turning out to be way harder than I thought. Like, just the whole process, it takes so long. Like, I don't know, but it's gonna be worth it because it's gonna all be, I'm trying to do it, like, obviously I'm gonna do it as best as I can. So yeah, I'm basically BFFs with the people at Lowe's now, so there's that. I picked up some new stuff at the store today. I met this really nice guy at Lowe's. He was like a professional painter, so I was like, can I ask you some questions? So he gave me some really great advice, tips and tricks, so I'm gonna try that now. I'm using a bonding primer because of a latex paint. It needs a bonding primer. That's what he said, and so far it seems to be working very nicely. I'm actually really taking my time and like letting it dry 2 hours in between each coat of primer. So that, I mean, it's taking forever. Like, that's a long time, and I'm very impatient, but I'm trying to like work on it. We got pretty much all this side done yesterday. I just have to fix a few things because my painter's tape peeled the paint off my wall. So, and I don't know the color of this wall. Like, the owners didn't leave me the paint. So I went to Lowe's and got 3 or 4 paint samples, like these little Valspar cans. And I think I found one that matches to like fix some spots anyway, like that need to be touched up. So that's okay. And the samples are like $3. And also one of them matches my trim very well, so I can paint that as well. So I'll update you guys in a little bit when there's more progress to show. But yeah, it shouldn't take me more than a few more days, hopefully. So my mom's over here helping me. She's pulling off the rope kind of stuff. What is that called?
The rope trim.
There's the rope trim. I don't know. Because it makes it look more modern. So we've made a lot of progress. We have this pretty much completely done. I still have to put those drawers on. But yeah, we're getting there and it looks good.
Another piece.
And I've done all this. So I might need one more coat of paint on this. And then all the doors are primed and just ready to paint. So, and the dogs are outside. So yeah, that's a little update. I'll update you guys in a little bit when we make more progress. Okay, so I'm about to put the final coat of paint on this, on both sides, and then I have one more door that's this size, and then I'm still missing that door right there. That one got really messed up, so I had to redo that one, and I had to like strip it off because it was like the first one I tried to do, and you know, trial and error. But anyway, so that's all I have left, and then we got 2 new kitchen lights at Ikea, which I think I've already talked to you guys about or showed you in the store. And so when Aaron gets home, we're gonna put those up. So yeah. There's a light at the end of this tunnel, and I can finally have my kitchen back. Okay, so I'm about to add my knobs. I just got them in the mail. Doors on the drawers, and then these square knobs for these doors. So I'm gonna start making the holes, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so I just got those knobs on. I think they look really good, and these are really easy to install. The pull bars are a little harder, so I'm gonna do those last. But yeah, I love the way this is turning out. Guys, I think we are officially done. So here is a look at my kitchen before. Here is my kitchen now. Enjoyed just seeing this different kind of video. I'm really pleased with how my kitchen turned out, and it was worth it just doing it yourself. It can save you a lot of money, so I will link everything that I use that I can link down below, including the light fixtures. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go enjoy my kitchen and make a yummy dinner, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.